Recording and catch the
What do you got here?
Jalapeño bubble.
What?
Jalapeño bubble.
Dad, I cut them up for you. Jalapeno poppers.
And they're covered up with meat. I think they're not gonna hurt my tongue of the spiciness,
This time,
of the greenness. The green part.
it's okay. I took out most of the seeds, so it shouldn't be too spicy. Mama and Dad like them kind of spicy though. But we figured for you, we'll take out as many seeds as possible. Dad's gonna eat.
My tongue
Cherry.
I hurt my tongue. It's spicy.
Oh no, it's too spicy. I'll get you something.
I hurt my tongue. It's so spicy.
Lemonade.
I'm gonna drink lemonade.
There you go. There's your lemonade.
Sour! It's because it's
sour.
limeade kind of lemonade.
Yeah, it's limeade, not lemonade. That's okay. Here, you can bend this out a little bit, and then it'll go down.
It's made out of lime, so it's a more sour kind of lemonade.
Yeah,
Limeade.
matches your shirt. Okay. So if you eat your jalapeno poppers with a little rice, if you eat it with a little rice, it won't be as spicy.
The meat.
Or if you also eat it with the cheese, the cream cheese cools it off a little bit too. But you can eat the green stuff, it's okay. It's just a little spicy. If you eat it all at the same time, then it works out. Oh, now he's just gonna eat only the... No, you need to eat the whole thing. You can eat the whole thing. It's okay. Just eat the whole thing, dude. If you eat it at the same time, it won't be so bad. If you eat it all at the same time, the green part won't be so bad. But you need to eat it with the same... It might actually be the chicken that's spicy. So I added some spice.
And now I gotta take away my spice.
Eat it at the same time. You can eat the whole thing. Don't waste the jalapeno peppers. Fine, I'm gonna eat this part. I'm gonna steal a little bit of this though.
No, don't steal stuff.
Nom 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 nom. Oh, it does have some spiciness. Just a little bit. Ooh, you did get a spicy one. I'm sorry. Let me see if I can find you a less spicy one. I guess what we have to do is cut one in half and try it, and then give you the other half of the ones that aren't that spicy. Some of them are spicy and some of them aren't. But it goes away. The spiciness goes away after you drink a little lemonade.
You stole something from my food.
Yeah, I took a little bit because you were wasting it. Nom, 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 nom.
Hey, stealing is bad. I'm gonna call the cop.
No! We're sharing. That's different.
Hey, you.
Bye! Okay, it's Dada's turn. Dada's turn to grab some jalapeno poppers. Time to eat.
You're love.